Now, that's one of the product. Now, moving forward naman kung ano yung pinaka-overview natin kay Atomy. So, si Atomy is an online shopping app. Although hindi lang ho Hemuhim yung product natin, but we actually distributes daily necessities. These are high-quality products, Korean and organic products. We have beauty, personal care, home care, food, and a lot more. And constantly, we are looking for consumers, or if you want to do the business, of course, we're always open for business partner member. So, we usually buy our essentials sa mga malls. Now, ang tanong dyan, binabayaran ba kayo by buying your essentials sa ganitong mall o sa ganitong shop? No. Now, ito yung pinaka-best question. How would you like to cut your expenses and get a lifetime extra income while making yourself healthy and beautiful? Kasi lahat ng Atomy products, napaka-effective. Hindi masasayang yung pera mo because they're really, kumbaga, ang principle ng Atomy is absolute quality with an absolute price. So they are very serious in delivering premium quality products na talagang maganda ang quality pero affordable para sa lahat. So, this is a big question. So, sana you will be able to get that and then you start switching your shop from this known supermarkets or this other platform, shopping platform. You do buy your needs first kay Atomy. Make sure dun yung muna check on yung kailangan nyo. Now, it is really amazing to join Atomy because there's no membership fee, no auto-ordering, mababa yung presyo natin, premium quality, no website usage fee, and then ang company nito really aims customer success or member success. In fact, yan ang goal ng CEO. Now, the more you get to know Atomy, the more you get to understand that what I am saying right now is absolutely true. Okay? They use this mass-stage strategy, as I have mentioned, the principle of absolute quality and absolute price. This is the reason why talagang massive yung growth niya globally. Because again, people are able to continue to buy them kasi gusto nila yung quality at kaya nila yung presyo. And that connotes sustainability and stability ng company. That means ang target nila is magstay ang Hemuhim more than 100 years, which is very possible. Not Hemuhim, Atomy. Atomy is now a 15-year-old company and it is growing and growing globally. Not just in the Philippines, kasi global po yung Atomy. Okay? So everybody will start as a consumer just like myself. And then once you fall in love with the product, of course, magiging loyal consumer ka na. And then once you start sharing it, you become a business partner member. That means you are already doing the business. All you need to do is just switch your brand. Download the app for you to become one of the platform owner. You would really know that you become one of the owner, especially when you started getting points. Para kang nagkakaroon ng share kay Atomy. Especially if binabayaran ka every month. It seems like meron kang share na tinatanggap kahit na wala ka nang gawin. I think I have joined one seminar na sabi niya, nag-stop siya for 2 years. But since nakapag-establish na siya ng maraming consumers, for 2 years na hindi siya nag-active, pero consumer pa rin siya kasi hindi na siya makastop using Atomy products because these are daily necessities. It's not something that we want, it's something that we need. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung kanyang mga incentives or commissions. That is super amazing. You don't just receive extra income, residual pa siya, pwede pa siyang passive. Okay? So how does it work? Pag member ka, meron kang points. Every time bibili ka sa sarili mong account, you get points. And then if you share it to your friends and loved ones, that's a lot better and happier kasi nag-share din yung points, yung group. Ang tawag dyan, group points. Kapag meron ka ng mga group, tsaka yung member mo rin, pag meron na rin pinamember, that's still considered as your group points. And eventually, i-convert na yan as income or cashback. So the good thing is, yung points na yun, it's accumulative. So the more points you have, lumalaki rin ang lumalaki ang iyong commission or ang iyong cashback. And it's using the binary system. So you only have to focus on your left and right. So dalawang group lang. So just make sure na pwede nyo silang ilagay lang ng parang barbecue. Kasi yung point system is sharing talaga siya. Na even sa direct or indirect member, ibig sabihin kahit na ilang level na yan, let's say pang 1,000 level na yan, basta galing sa'yo yung nagpa-member sa kanya, you will still get the group PV. So that's how amazing. Everybody is happy. Hindi lang isa o dalawa, tatlo, lahat po hanggang sa level 1. Level 1 may be you, my sponsor, or yung pinaka taas natin. Okay? Now, yung group points, accumulative din yan. Saka lang yan nagre-reset or nagre-refresh kapag nabayaran ka na ng system. I say system because our income is a system-generated income. Pag nakita ng system na umabot na yung points mo, na eligible na siya for the rewards or for the cashback, automatic na po siyang papasok sa account ninyo. Hindi nyo na ho kailangan mag-follow up. Ganun kaganda yung system ng Atomy. So, yung two main income sources natin is yung general commission at saka yung mastership bonus. So, for general commission, you will start once you have accumulated 10,000 PV, that's points, not cash, that's when you become parang distributor or verified distributor. And then that is the time also na magsa-start na rin mag-accumulate yung group points mo. And when that hit the pairing group PV, which is 300,000 left and right, then you will receive 800 pesos kapag 10,000 PV pa lang. Now, na-mention ko, di ba? Accumulative yung PV. So, if it's accumulative, darating yung time magdadagdag siya kasi hindi naman tayo titigil mag-toothbrush. We don't stop washing our hair. We don't stop washing our clothes. Until tataas yung point system natin, yung points natin sa account mo, sa sarili mong shopping app, then instead of getting 800, it's the same requirement, you get 2,400. And then and so on and so forth. Basta kung titingnan nyo dyan ngayon sa screen ninyo, you can take a screenshot of that. Ang pinakaano lang niya is the more tumataas yung PV, the more din lumalaki yung commission. So 800, 2, 4, 5,000, 9,000, 15,000, at meron tayong limit. So if we have unlimited level when it comes to the level, yung deep wise, sa points naman meron. That is 60. Yung pinaka-minimum, pinaka-maximum natin sa points is 50 million PV, both left and right. And the reason for that, because the company wanted to provide equal opportunity to everyone. Time will come, darating tayo sa punto na lahat ng income natin pareho. Hanggat hindi natin tinitigilan gawin yung Atomy. So, napaka-simple lang. Just simply switch your brand sa mga daily essentials na may points and then may cashback. Okay, no need for capital or physical store if you want to do the business. You just use and share and potentially get a lifetime extra residual and passive income from Atomy. Okay. So, ito yung mastership bonus naman. So, for mastership, this is when you have accumulated really, again, wala naman tayong, kumbaga, this is, there's nowhere to go but to this promotion. Kasi nga, yung points natin accumulative lang. The more we accumulate points, the more we accumulate members, then you can potentially become, do the mastership promotion. So, meron tayong Sales Master, Diamond Master, Sharon Rose Master, Star Master, Royal Master, Crown Master, and Imperial Master. So, these are the cash incentives when you hit this mastership. 20,000 for Sales Master, 40,000, 80,000 for Sharon Rose Master, 400,000 for Star Master, 2 million, plus meron pa yung 80,000 na sponsorship activity pag naging Royal Master ka na. The same through with Crown Master and Imperial Master. Meron din yung sponsorship activity fee. So 12 million for Crown Master and 40 million for Imperial Master. So wag na muna natin itong masyadong kumbaga, i-dig deeper kasi dun muna tayo sa kakasimula pa lang natin. But this is what is waiting for us, for you. Okay? Now, when you hit the Diamond Master, the company will provide a free laptop and then the following products, the Atomy Evening Care Corset, the Fame, and 1 box of Hemohim. Pag nag-Star Master ka na, that's the time they will provide you a travel voucher so you can travel with your family. And then, pag nag-Royal Master from hanggang Imperial, you have a travel voucher plus car incentive and cash incentive. Wow. So, ganun po naghihintay sa atin. And then, if and when naman nahihirapan tayo for Sales Master, there is what we call the semi-sales promotion. So, yung semi-sales promotion na yan, if you have accumulated, let's say, 700,000, pwede yun. In fact, kung nag 300 PV ka lang, pero meron ka ng 1.5 sa left and then 1.1 sa right, pwede mo pa siyang habulin to actually hit the semi-sales promotion. And then approximately get $1,000 if you're able to do this in 2 challenge. So, ang pag-challenge natin is twice a month, 1st to 15, and then 16 to end of the month. Okay? Of course, kung hindi nyo to mag-gets ngayon, because it's your first time to watch this video or ngayon nyo lang to nakita, of course, we are here, your sponsors or whoever invites you to watch this video na pwedeng mag-explain sa inyo. How to join? Very simple. Basta't 18 years old and above ka, 81 or 81 tuloy, 18 or kahit 81 years old, walang problema hanggat meron kang TIN card or any valid ID. Now, if you want to do the business, yung TIN po is required kasi nga meron tayong tinatanggap na commission that is taxable. Okay, so get your first 10,000 PV. Be excited to get this first 10,000 PV para po mabilis na mag-accumulate yung mga group PV nyo. Ito yung example natin. The Cafe Arabica is only 510 pesos. It has 50 sticks. So, sumatotal, nasa 10 pesos and 40 cents lang siya per packet. So, very affordable. Toothpaste natin is 470. It has 5,000 PV. And your toothbrush, and then yung toothpaste natin is only 250 pesos. It has 2,900 PV. So, ibig sabihin, if you buy 2 boxes of toothpaste, and 1 box of toothbrush, yung family toothbrush, you will get your first 10,000 PV, which is less than 1,000 pesos. So, ganun kaliit. And the best part is, these are daily necessities. Gagamitin mo rin naman yung product. Pwede mong ibigay sa family mo. Okay? So, that is how it works. So, ito yung pinaka-explanation niyan. So, if this is you have your group PV here, 300, 300, then you get 800 yung na-mention ko kanina. And then the next would be 2,400 if you hit 300,000 PV. And then yung maximum na sinabi ko kanina, 50 million PV, both left and right, you get 60,000 approximately. And this could also be potentially itong 2,4, 800, 2,4, 60, pwede siyang everyday. Pwede siyang everyday, every week, every month. Depende po yan sa bilis at sa dami ng bumibili ng mga members natin. Ang maganda, you don't even have to ask them to buy because just like myself or gaya sa inyo ngayon, gustong-gusto nyo yung product at kailangan nyo na siya on a day-to-day basis. So, pag naubusan ka ng toothpaste, bibili ka talaga kahit na hindi ka sabihan ng sponsor mo. That's the beauty of this business. You only have to use the product. Kaya nga, minsan sinasabi ko, marunong ka bang mag-toothbrush? Pwede ka dito. Ganun lang kasimple. So, we have a fair ceiling system. Yung sinabi ko kanina, maximum commission amount. So, regardless kung 11 years ka, 7 years, if you notice, parehas ang maging income natin in the long run. It's just a matter of time. Plus, again, this is a systematic income system. Lahat po ng commission nyo, it will go straight to your bank and you can withdraw it anytime you want. Ang best part is, scheduled talaga siya, sinusunod niya talaga yung schedule at nag-i-email pa yung bank sa atin kapag mayroong kinikredit na amount galing kay Atomy. That's how amazing this company is. Namimigay lang talaga sila ng commissions by simply enjoying the products. So, wala pa akong ibang company na nakita na gumagawa nito, only Atomy. Plus, of course, their products can really help you to have a better quality life. So, our general commission cut-off, accumulation period is from Wednesday to Tuesday. Ang payout po natin is every Tuesday of the following week. So, mag-aantay, kunyari nag-pairing ka, nag-300,000 PV yung left and right mo, you'll wait for 1 more week. And then, saka ka magkakaroon ng bonus, incentive or commission. So, if let's say in a week, 2 beses kang nag-pair ng 300,000 PV, then you can get double commission sa next Tuesday. Okay? This is our Imperial Master Promotion Ceremony. And yes, we do have a lot of Imperial Masters already. Kaso nga lang, they're from Korea pa. Kasi nga sa Korea nagsimula ang Atomy. And of course, meron na tayong paunti-unti na malapit na mag-Imperial Master outside Korea. And hopefully, masama ho tayo dyan. US, Philippines, basta outside Korea para mas happy. Okay? Ito ang pinakamaganda. If you started receiving just like myself, I'm already starting to receive, para na akong may pension. Every month, I'm receiving 2,000, 4,000, 6,000. Sometimes, 1 beses, 2 beses, 3 beses sa isang buwan. That's not bad. Sino bibigay sa inyo yan? By simply enjoying their products. Ang maganda, whatever effort you have given to this business, lahat po ng income ninyo na nag-generate na passive na or residual na, mamanahin po yan ng anak niyo up to third generation. So more or less, that's like almost 100 years. Saan kayo maghahanap ng business na pwedeng ipamana up to third generation? So with your business right now, kung ipapamana na nyo yan, hindi rin kayo guaranteed na tuloy-tuloy ang business na yan. Pwedeng hihina yan, pwedeng mawala sa uso yan. But this company, since we're dealing with daily necessities, eto lang yung kumbaga needs na kahit anong inflation nangyayari sa buhay natin, kahit anong changes sa araw-araw, pero hindi nagbabago yung daily essential needs natin. We need toothpaste, we need shampoo, we need daily supplements. Kaya this company is really a big one. So if and when you know and understand that, you can envision yourself na talagang may mangyayari sa'yo if you do Atomy. Okay? And of course, we have our Atomy Success System. Hindi ka mahihirapan because we have one of the best system. Meron tayong Success Academy, center meeting, online seminar, one-day seminar, global seminar, and we have this kind of Zoom call. May one-on-one pa tayo. Lahat ng kailangan mong support pwedeng ibigay sa'yo. All you need to do is your presence. You just show up. Okay? So, kumbaga, this business is built 99.9%. Yung 1% ikaw na lang. So, if you have a lot of time or meron kang spare time na you want to really, kumbaga, magamit ng tama, Atomy is a great thing para pagtuunan mo ng pansin. Alright? So, dito sa Atomy, consistency is more important than perfection. Don't be afraid to do a lot of things to try to really grow your business. Huwag mong sabihin, ay, hindi ko alam na, hindi ko pa alam gawin yan. I-try mo lang hanggat sa ma-perfect mo. Mabuti na yung way gagawin ka, mas ano ba yan, nasa-sharpen mo yung skills mo kung paano talaga gawin tong business na to. Actually, it's fun to do Atomy. Ever since I started doing Atomy, it's been 1 year and 4 months now. I'm always excited. And that means I'm in good hand. Okay, so we're almost done. Atomy is bound to dominate the global shopping platform. And time will come, everyone will use Atomy Shopping Mall or the app. Atomy will have the most everything that we need. In fact, sa Korea, meron na sila mga asin, meron ng mga rice, may tissue na, and we're hoping pag yan pumasok ng paunti-unti dito sa Pilipinas o sa lahat ng countries, ibig sabihin, ang laki pa ng room ng company na to na lumaki pa talaga. So, let's not wait for this to grow. Makisabay tayo. Okay, so let's all be a part of the new era of retail. Join our team. All you need to do is just create your account. Ganun lang kasimple. It's absolutely free to join. All right, so I think we're done. If you want to know more, we have our own channel. It's called Channel Atomy. If you already have downloaded the app, you can find Channel Atomy. Or of course, we have YouTube, so you can learn everything about Atomy. There you go. Thank you so much. Let's